So I'm growing Zorro and AC Dark Horse right next to each other. They're both huge. The Zorro's getting humongous. The AC Dark Horse is getting whiter and whiter tips. These are beautiful. So look at these. This one is Zorro and this one is AC Dark Horse. And they are both so nice. Look at the size of this Zorro. This is a really nice one. You know, one thing about Zorro is I find its back petals start to wither before it's put on its full display in the front. So I'll just pull them out like that. I'm gonna sit here for 1 second, AC Dark Horse. So I'll just pull them out like this. Ever so gently until it looks the way that I want. But man, what a bloom this is, eh? Hokey smokes. That's your Zorro for you. Perfect display for, you know, mid-September, September 21st. This is exactly the time that you're gonna have really good blooms like this, and I'm really happy with this. And there's a whole whack of them. I'm gonna show you. So I know that you know that Zorro is amazing, but did you know it was this amazing? Look at all of these blooms. This is from like 4 or 5 different plants, maybe actually 6, but man, these are some of the best Zorro that I've ever seen, and I'm just thrilled.